In this video, you are going to learn exercise number 4.4. First question, construct the quadrilateral DEAR with the lengths DE equal to 4 cm, EA is equals to 5 cm, AR length is 4.5 cm, angle E is 60 degree, angle A is 90 degree. Here 5 measurements are given. So we can construct a quadrilateral very easily. Before going to main diagram, let me draw the rough sketch of this figure. Quadrilateral DEAR. So let us select DE as the base. DE length is 4 cm. I am drawing rough sketch. DE is 4 cm. Whenever in the question angle is given, after constructing the baseline, we have to construct angle only. So this is over. Since the line segment is DE, so at DE you can construct the angle, at E also you can construct the angle. As per this, angle D, if you wanted to search for angle D is not here, not there. So that you can go with angle E. Angle E is 60 degree. So 60 degree, if you take 90 degree will be like this straight, and 60 will be acute angle less than 90. So it will be like this, you will get this will be 60 degree. So this also over. Next we should search for A point will be somewhere on this, such that EA length is 5 cm. So E to A length will be 5 cm. You mark a point A, EA length is 5 cm. Next we should search for R. So this is done. AR length is 4.5 cm. At A 90 degree is there. So next at A you have to construct a 90 degree. After constructing 90 degree line, that line is to be perpendicular to AE. So it will be like this, you are going to get. Both are perpendicular. AR, here R point will be there. AR length is 4.5 centimeter. After constructing the angle, we have to search for point R such that AR length is 4.5 centimeter. After locating point R, we have to join these R and D. Then this is the rough sketch of quadrilateral DEAR. Now let us construct the main figure. Let me draw the line segment DE equal to 4 centimeter. So to draw the line segment DE, I am taking the help of ruler and I am going to construct the line segment DE. Length should be 4 centimeter. So at 0 you mark the point, and at 4 also you mark the point. Then after that you join them so that you got the line segment DE with length 4 centimeter. You know very well, whenever you have angle in the question, after constructing the baseline, we have to go to angle only. Here the line segment is DE, so you can construct angle at D as well as angle at E. In the question angle D is not given, angle at E is 60 degree. So to construct angle E, we have to take the help of protractor at E 60 degree. So adjust the protractor on the line segment DE, and protractor center point must coincide with the point E. At E you are constructing 60 degree. 60 is acute angle, so less than 90. So 60 is present here. So here above 60, this point, you mark the point. After marking the point, take the help of ruler and join this E point as well as this point, whatever you got now. So this point, both the points, you join them and extend it little more and give the name as, this is the ray you got here, give the name as EX ray. So you are drawing a ray EX such that angle DEX is equals to how much degree? 60 degree. Here in the question, DE is constructed, angle E also constructed. Next, our intention is to find out vertex A. On this ray EX only A point will be there, such that EA length is 5 centimeter. To construct this line segment, we have to take the help of compass, 5 centimeter radius by using compass. You are selecting 5 centimeter radius, adjust the radius as 5 centimeter, which is 5 centimeter, EA length is 5 centimeter. So A point you don't know, so taking E as center and 5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. So this arc is meeting EX ray at one point, say this point as A. So EA length will be 5 centimeter. If you wanted to check with the help of ruler, you can check it. EA length will be exactly 5 centimeter. So at A you have to construct angle 90 degree. To construct a 90 degree at A, we have to take the help of protractor. Adjust the protractor 00 line on EA line segment, and protractor center point must coincide with point A. After the adjustment, we have to search for 90 degree. Reason, at A 90 degree is there, so 90 degree where it is there, you locate that point 90 degree. After locating the point, as usual, we have to join this point with A point. Here you are drawing a ray, so that is why little more extension is required. After joining these points, little more extension, give the name as AY ray. So you are giving the name as AY ray. Here at A, angle is 90 degree. The angle is EAY. So draw a ray AY such that angle EAY is equals to 90 degree. If you wanted to locate R point will be somewhere on the ray AY. So here AR length is 4.5, so that you can take the help of compass with radius 4.5 centimeter. Adjust the compass with radius 4.5. 4 and 5 in between, 4.5 will be there. Adjust the compass with 4.5 centimeter radius. So which one is 4.5? AR is 4.5. You don't know R point, you know only A point. Taking A as center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. This arc is intersecting the ray AY at one point. Say this point as R point. So AR length will be how many centimeter? AR length 4.5 centimeter. You can check with the help of ruler also whether it is 4.5 centimeter or not. You can check. Exactly 4.5 centimeter. Next, what you need to do, after locating point R, here all the vertices D, E, A, R, all the 4 vertices are located. We have to join this R point and D point. Adjust the scale ruler, then join them. Join R and D. So after joining, you got the quadrilateral DEAR.